Here at Swolf Group, we offer marketing, event, special action and activation services. Our group is comprised of Swolf Events, Event and Special Actions Agency. Our creative, project management, strategic planning and tactical and logistics teams apply the best technology on the market alongside the latest trends in experiential marketing. Staff Global Integrated Activation Agency. We're specialists in ideation, strategy and production. We'll look after the selection, contracting, training and control of promotional teams and logistical organization, taking into account equality, inclusion and sustainability. We have our own commercial management service and employment department and cover the entire Iberian Peninsula, Andorra and the islands 24/7, 365 days a year. Plus Productions, integrated production services. We design and produce everything you need for your event. Stands, temporary construction, retail, point of sale display, assembly and logistics. Labit Solutions, development of technological solutions providing innovation and efficiency for every event and special action, from management and reporting solutions to the latest in audio-visual technology. Swolf Group. Trust in experience.